It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
Q.
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. Great morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Dashinq Q. I'm back. It's looking gloomy outside. It is 7:30 in the morning. But we got our first order of the day, man. It's a Starbucks, $7 for 4 miles. Man, I had to decline 3 or 4 already, man. Is this a sign of what's to come today or what's to come for the next week? I don't know, man, but I gotta do some work. This is Starbucks, Panera Bread, stacked order pickup, well, a drop off. This is the Starbucks order. Here we go. For Ella?
Yes, thank you.
Have a good one. All right, it's raining, you guys, you know. We dropped off the Starbucks already. Hey, yo, we got a Chick-fil-A. They've been sending bullshit all day. $9 for 5.3 miles. $9 for 5.3 miles. Guess this is what I'm stuck with. Wagoneer, baby. They eating. They eating, baby. We know who getting money. We know who getting money. Got a crumble cookie order. This is a terrible ass order. $7 for 6 miles or something like that. It's a terrible order. Horrible order. Order for Devin?
Devin's all, just give it to the lady up front.
Okay.
I can order it.
Hi. How you doing? For Devin? Yep. All right, have a good one.
Thank you.
Hey, we got a Burger Queen order after this long drought I just had. It's been like an hour. I was sitting there talking to my live for about an hour before I got an order. So this is a $4 for 2.5 miles. They finessing the Gucci. It's all good, man. Let's get this shit. Y'all, they made me drop my AR to the low 60s. But look, we just got a $25 order, 7-something miles, something like that. But it was a great order after all that trials, and we got a great order. So let's grab this order from Crumble Cookie first, and we got another pickup. All right, man, we got a B-Dubs pickup. This is that additional order on this stack Crumble Cookie and B-Dubs order. 25. In the field. So let's grab this, and that looks like it is right there. Man, after those last drop-offs, oh my God, they was handed to me. I just got a horrible order, man. Horrible, $11, 7 miles. Let's get it over with. Horrible ass shit. Right, man, we got this horrible B-Dubs drop-off, man. They just be handing me my ass today, you feel me? I can't even feel my ass today. Hey, man, we riding it down here, man. Today was a horrible day, but hey, we was profit. Well, we made money. Made short of like $20 short of my goal, probably by the time 2:30 hit, cause these petty orders. But let's grab this and go. Yo, last drop off. You know, last drop off, it was look at this building here. Oh my God. hope the elevator work. Look at this shit. Look like you. Oh my God. Look like you. Oh my God. Partner or dust? There we go. Boy, I feel like Jason gonna come out or some shit. Check your blinds. And that was the day of dashing, y'all. It wasn't pretty, it wasn't beautiful, but hey, the lesson, the end of the day, we know it's all in a day's work. We're taking positives out of every situation, no matter what we may obstacle we may face, man. We're looking at the positive. It's another day towards our final destination. That's investing in ourselves. So we didn't make a ton of money. We made 82 bucks, but hey, we made something. You know, it wasn't my goal. It wasn't my day. Every dog has his day. So look, we're looking forward to tomorrow and the day ahead. But that's the way the dash ended. I'm on my way to work now. Well, I gotta stop home first, then I'm on my way to work. But yeah, y'all, you gonna have days like this, poopy, caca, shit. But you put your bag on your back, you head down, keep your head high, look down that road and tell them, fuck them. I'll get your ass tomorrow. You feel me?